Hello, welcome to CBSE Maths Class 3. Today we are going to do conversion in measurement. Most of the children are facing problem when they do conversion. Today we will do conversion in length. In my last video I have given an introduction. Today we are going to do meter into centimeter and centimeter into meter. So there is a trick. Here meter is bigger than centimeter. Then you have to use a trick to convert from meter into centimeter and centimeter into meter. We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So when we convert meter into centimeter, multiply by 100. BSM, big unit to small unit, multiply. I said meter is bigger than centimeter. So when we convert, we have to use meter into centimeter means BSM, multiply by 100. Big unit to small unit, multiply. And when we convert centimeter into meter, we have to use the trick SBD. SBD, small to big, divide. Small unit to big unit, divide. Let's see some examples also, then it will be very easy for you. To convert meter into centimeter, multiply by 100. That means when you take meter and centimeter, you have to check which one is bigger in this. Of course, meter is bigger. So, to convert meter into centimeter, we should do BSM. BSM means big unit to small unit, multiply. To convert big unit to small unit, we should use which trick? BSM trick. That means big unit to small unit, multiply. Here, multiply by what? We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So, to convert meter into centimeter, we should do multiplication by 100 or multiply by 100. So, what you have to remember? BSM. This is applicable for all the conversion when we do big unit to small unit. BSM. So, let's try some examples. I am giving a question. Simple question. 5 meter convert into centimeter. We should do what? 5 into 100 is equal to 500 centimeter. Now, second question. If I give a 2 digit, 16 meter. Very simple. Meter into centimeter, multiply by 100. So 16 into 100, we know that 1600 centimeter. That means write 16 and at last you have to write 2 zeros. 1600 centimeter. Now you will not get more than 2 digit because in 4th standard you are learning maximum 4 digit numbers. Suppose if you get a 3 digit number like this, 325 meter convert into centimeter. That time you have to do 325 into 100. But what you will get? You will get 32,500. 32,500. This won't be asking like this because you have learned only 4 digit numbers. I mean up to 4 digit numbers only you have learned. Now there are some different questions. Let's see how to solve it. For example, if you get a question, 8 meter 85 centimeter, 8 meter 85 centimeter convert into centimeter. Here you have to use another trick also. We know big to small multiply. So 8 meter we should convert. How? 8 into 100 plus this 85 you should add. In 3rd standard you are not learning points or decimals. That's why we are doing like this. 8 into 100 plus 85. Because 85 is already in centimeter. No need to change. So we are doing meter into centimeter. That means 8 into 100 we should do. We know that 8 into 100 is 800 plus 85. So when you add you will get 885 centimeter. Directly if you write it is okay, no problem. But there is a chance to get mistake. Which question? See, I will give one more example. So when you do directly, suppose you get 7 meter 5 centimeter convert into centimeter. So some children will think it is 75 centimeter. It is totally wrong. Some children, they will join this 7 meter and 5 centimeter and they will write 75. This is totally wrong. So how to do this? To avoid mistakes, you have to write all the steps. So 7 meter we have to convert 7 into 100 plus 5. This 5 already 5 is in centimeter. 7 into 100 700. 700 plus 5 is answer is 705 centimeter. See the difference? Before you have written 75. So answer is 705 centimeter. Similarly, we will see some other examples too. 2-digit number 39 meter 30 centimeter. 39 meter 30 centimeter. 39 into 100 plus this 30 you have to add with that. 39 into 100 you know 3900 plus 30. So what is the answer? 3930 centimeter. One more example we will do. So here the question is 39 meter 30 centimeter. When we added, when we converted 39 into 100 plus 30, that means 3900 plus 30. Then you have to add. If you are not able to do like this, you can add in the working column. Column addition method you can use. Other example 10 meter 2 centimeter. 10 meter 10 into 100 you have to do plus 2. 10 into 100 we know 1000 plus 2. So 1002 centimeter is the answer. 10 into 100 is 1000. Then 1000 plus 2 1002 centimeter. So now let us revise all the examples. How to do meter into centimeter. When we do meter into centimeter, we have to use the trick BSM. Big unit to small unit multiply. So when we write examples, 91 meter, we have to do 91 into 100 meter into centimeter. So 91 into 100 is equal to 9100 centimeter. CM short form. Now question number 2. If you get 11 meter 12 centimeter. This kind of examples. 11 into 100 plus 12. 11 into 100 is 1100 plus 12 is equal to 1112 centimeter. 1112. 1112 centimeter. So I hope it is clear. Meter into centimeter multiply by 100 because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, and when we do big unit to small unit we have to multiply. BSM. Next is centimeter into meter. When we convert small unit to big unit we have to divide. So you should remember SBD. Before what we remembered? Meter into centimeter, big unit to small unit it was, so BSM. Now SBD, small to big divide. Small unit to big unit divide. Here smaller unit is centimeter, so we should divide. Divide by what? We should do division by 100 because 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Let's see one example. If I write 700 centimeter, centimeter into meter I should do. So what I should do? 700 divided by 100. So you don't know division by 100 and all. So what we have to do? This is very simple one. Last 2 digit underline. Division by 100 is very simple only, but you are learning in another way. Last 2. Here how many zeros are there in 100? 2 zeros. So you have to underline in 700 last 2 zeros. What you did not underline? 7. This 7 will come as meter. 7 meter 0 0 or 0 centimeter. 7 meter 0 centimeter means the answer is only 7 meter. Now it is very simple now. Let's try another example. 700 centimeter is 7 meter. Similarly, when you do 800 centimeter, it will be 8 meter. So 800 centimeter. So we have to do 800 divided by 100. Okay. Then last 2 digit you underline because in 100 how many zeros? 2. What you did not underline? 8. Answer will be 8 meter 0 centimeter. That means answer will be only 8 meter. So when you get zeros at last, 2 zeros at last, you can do only that meter part. 0 you can avoid or you can skip, because 8 meter 0 centimeter means it is 8 meter. But sometimes you will get number in that place. So that only we are going to see now. Instead of writing 800 centimeter, okay, I am giving another number 755 centimeter. In this case, actually it is decimal, but you don't know what is decimal. So in third standard we are following 755 divided by 100. Centimeter into meter, division by 100. SBD divided by 100. Now last two digit you underline. What did you underline? 55. What you did not underline, I mean just now I have just underlined to show you this 7. So it will be 7 meter 55 centimeter. 7 meter 55 centimeter. In this there is nothing to avoid because last 55 it is a number. So we should write full 7 meter 55 centimeter is the answer. Now it is clear, right? So let's see some other examples too. When you get a 4 digit number, I said maximum you will get 4 digit number because you are in class 3. So when you get a 4 digit number 1785 centimeter, what to do? 1875 divided by 100. Last two digit you can underline. What you did not underline? 17. So answer is 17 meter 85 centimeter. 17 meter 85 centimeter. Let's see some other 4 digit numbers also. Now I am giving 1000 centimeter. Very simple question, no? So you have to do 1000 divided by 100. There is a cutting method, simplification method, cut 0 zeros. That is also not required now because you are following another rule. So follow the same rule for all, otherwise you may have confusion. 1000 divided by 100. So what you have to underline? Last two digit you have to underline. What you did not underline? 10. 10 meter 0 centimeter. That means 10 meter is the answer. In another way, by cutting 0, how to do also I will show. So intelligent children can use. When the numbers are ending with a 0 at last, for example, if you get like this 1000 divided by 100, okay. So in this you can use simplification method. These two zeros you can cut. One rule is there in maths like that. So answer is 10 meter. So if you are having confusion in this, I will show one more example. But this you should do only that intelligent children can apply, because other children what will happen, they will use the same trick for all, then they will get wrong answer. For example, if it is 2000 divided by 100, if you are getting like this, you can cut these two zeros, then answer is only 20 meter. That is also there. So cutting method you can use, or you can use this only zeros you can cut. If other numbers comes you cannot cut like that. So only I am telling use the same rule for all, underline zeros. What you did not underline? 20. 20 meter 0 centimeter means answer is only 20 meter. So far what we have done? Meter into centimeter, centimeter into meter. So just I will make you to revise. Meter into centimeter, BSM you have to apply. Meter into centimeter, you should apply what? BSM, big unit to small unit. This is big unit to small unit, multiply. Here multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. Then centimeter into meter. Centimeter into meter, SBD. SBD means it is division. Small unit to big unit divide by 100. Divide by 100. And also we have done some examples. Now we will mix it up and we will see some examples. I mean meter into centimeter, centimeter into meter. First one, some revision only. This is 18 meter into centimeter. Okay, so how to do? 18 into 100, big to small multiply. 1800 centimeter. Second question, if you get 3006 centimeter into meter. So you have to do 3006 divided by 100 because small to big division by 100 here, 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So 30 meter 6 centimeter is the answer. 6 centimeter also you can write, 6 centimeter also you can write. 30 meter 6 centimeter. Now it is very simple, no? Now let's see some other examples also, then we will wind up this video. Other examples, if you get a number like this, 19 meter 9 centimeter into centimeter. So meter into what? Into centimeter. Into means big to small will come. Into what you have to see centimeter. That means BSM will come here. Big to small multiply. 19 into 100 plus 9 is equal to 1900 plus 9 is equal to 1909 centimeter. So next if I am giving, I hope it is clear, 19 into 100 plus 9 1900, then 1900 plus 9 1909 centimeter. Next if you get a question like 3 digit number, same simple question, 900 centimeter into meter. So 900 divided by 100 is equal to, underline last two zeros, answer is 9 meter. 0 centimeter you can avoid. Similarly, if you get a number what is 1111 centimeter. So another question, if I give like this, 1111 divided by 100 is equal to 11 meter 11 centimeter. So we are stopping this video here. This conversion will be continued in next video. In next video we will do kilometer to meter and meter to kilometer. So I hope you all understood. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.